everybody! Today we are going to be learning how to make DIY hand sanitizer. We're going to try a gel form, and then we're also going to do a spray bottle form. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be placing this on the website later, so be looking for this pin. I call them pins. It's going to be a post I make later, so hopefully we'll include this video and the actual post, okay? First, we're going to do a spray. It is preferred that you use a amber glass bottle when you're using essential oils. So amber glass, so it doesn't actually oxidize. It helps the oil stay pure. So what we're going to do, this is a 2-ounce amber glass bottle. We're actually going to use 2 ounces of witch hazel. So right now it's really hard to get aloe vera gel, but I'm sure that you can get witch hazel. So this is going to act as your carrier as well. It's amazing too. We are going to use 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Sorry, I'm not used to videos. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. Sorry, I could have had this pre-mixed for you, but you know, I just didn't. So we're going to pour our witch hazel into our 2 tablespoons of witch hazel into a 2-ounce spray bottle. I also got these spray bottles that you can use just in case. You really don't need to use clear plastic, but in an emergency case like this, clear plastic is going to be fine because you're going to be using it so much that you're going to go through it really fast. Okay, so the recipe actually calls for vitamin E oil, but we actually use sweet almond, and because sweet almond is amazing for your skin and it's really high in vitamin E, we're actually going to substitute, because we have it, sweet almond oil. So we're doing 5 drops of sweet almond oil. This helps to keep your hands, because you're using so much of it, it actually helps keep your hands softer. So you want to use the sweet almond oil, okay? Let's see if I can get that to pick up. Sweet almond oil. This is a great time to use our Bandit oil. Our Bandit oil is just straight up amazing. It's our version of Young Living's Thieves, or similar to doTERRA's On Guard. Both of them are very, very similar. This is cinnamon, clove, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus. So this is our version. Let me see if I can come around closer. This is our version of Young Living's Thieves. I'm not going to pick up very well. But anyway, this is Bandit oil. We love it, love it, love it. So you're going to use 5 drops of each of the following. You can do 5 drops Bandit. We're going to do 5 drops of lemon essential oil. And we're going to do 5 drops of orange oil. Orange and lemon, your citrus oils always part very, very fast, so be very careful with those. Now, because I put Bandit in it, I'm actually going to put tea tree as well, but I'm only going to do like 3 drops of the tea tree oil. Actually, let's go ahead and do the 5 drops just to keep it even. So got those. We use this one. We're going to finish this off actually with distilled water. Now, I actually didn't have distilled water, so I boiled my water, and I actually, it's boiled distilled water is how we're going to do that, okay? We're going to finish our jar off with water. And most of you are going to say that oil and water don't mix. We know this. I got way too much there. Oil and water do not mix. This is why we use a carrier such as the witch hazel, so that it actually gives us a base for the oils. You're going to shake, shake, shake before you use it. And we are ready to spray. You're going to sanitize your hands just like you would if you had anything else. Oh, you can really feel that sweet almond oil. So there's that one. Now, you want to make sure to let it air dry. It's killing the germs if you wipe it off or rub it in. You know, you want to make sure it air dries. You can feel that oil in there too, so your hands shouldn't get horribly dried out with this one. So make sure. Let me grab a towel. Like I did, got too much oil in it. Wipe it off, and you want to always make sure that you label your bottles. This one already says hand sanitizer. I've already written it on there. And just make sure that you label your bottles. If you can see it or not, it's probably not going to show up. Hand sanitizer. And just shake. Pop the top. You're ready to spray, okay? Because this is diluted with the water and the witch hazel and the oils, it's actually safe for children. So don't send them with it to school. Make sure you just use it and keep it safe, okay? All right, there's that one. Let's see if we can pull this other stuff out here real quick. And we're going to switch gears, and we are going to make the gel with the aloe vera. Now listen, I went to town today to buy aloe vera. I actually had this one. I couldn't find any aloe vera, so that's why we chose to do the other one with the witch hazel. You can usually get witch hazel. Witch hazel's really good astringent as well, so, but I am going to go ahead and run through and show you how to do the other one, okay? We're going to do 1 cup of, it needs to be 91% or 99%, not the 70. It needs to be 91 or 99% isopropyl alcohol, okay? And we're actually going to do 1 cup of alcohol. 1 cup of alcohol. Put it in your mixing bowl. Then we're going to do 1/2 cup of the aloe vera gel. Let's see, get this one in here. Hopefully I have enough, because I couldn't find any in town. Okay. Sorry, should have pre-measured. I didn't. Okay. We're going to take our aloe vera gel. And you can actually, if you have an aloe vera plant, it'd be awesome to use that. I do not. So this was 100% aloe vera gel that you can get at most stores, except for right here. You can get it. Okay. This one calls for tea tree oil. So we are going to use 15 drops of tea tree oil. Or you can use any other antibacterial essential oil. So we're just going to whisk really good. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You can see it. It's just kind of cloudy. Now, I picked up these bottles at Walmart. They're, I think, 3-ounce bottles. This one's probably a 3-ounce squeezy as well, so I just didn't know which one would work the best. So we are going to try to use them both. I'm going to use my little handy measuring cup here. I feel like it needs a little more gel in this one, but I think according to the recipe, it should be good if you follow the recipe. I think I just needed a little more gel. Actually, it's not bad. So again, you want to put it on. It smells good too. Let it rub in. Dry, dry, dry. Let it dry. I think all of my aloe vera has went to the bottom. And then we have gel. DIY hand sanitizer. Much better. I think most of my gel went to the bottom, my aloe vera gel. So make sure you stir that up really well and get all of that gel out of the bottom before you actually put it in your containers. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.